Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm about to show you something that feels almost unreal. Imagine launching your own AI software business in less than 60 seconds with products already preloaded and an AI agent that literally sells for you while you sleep. Yeah, it's called Appsfield AI, and it's changing the game. Now, lean in, because this isn't just another software tool. This is an agentic AI store builder. You pick your niche, hit launch, and boom, your storefront is live, stocked with 10 ready-to-sell AI apps. And here's the kicker. You don't have to pitch, demo, or close a single sale. The AI DealMaker Agent does it all. Picture this. A visitor lands on your store. Instead of scrolling endlessly, they're greeted by your AI agent. Hey, welcome. What kind of business do you run? The agent listens, recommends the perfect product, shows a demo, handles objections, and even closes the checkout right inside the chat. Seriously, it's like having your best salesperson cloned and working 24/7. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, is this too good to be true? I had the same thought, but here's the reality. Appsfield AI doesn't just build a pretty storefront. It captures leads, organizes them, tags them as buyers or prospects, and drops them straight into your inbox. That means even if someone doesn't buy today, you've got their info for tomorrow's follow-up. Let's break it down step by step. Pick your niche: coaches, restaurants, real estate, e-commerce, you name it. Launch your store. In about a minute, you've got 10 AI apps ready to sell. Train your agent. Teach it how to recommend bundles, answer questions, and overcome objections. Drive traffic. Share your link on social, email, ads, and let the AI agent do the heavy lifting. Track everything: leads, sales, conversations, revenue, all in one dashboard. And here's the part I love. You keep 100% of every sale. Your payment account, your revenue, your business. No middleman taking a cut. Appsfield AI is perfect if you're a marketer with a clear niche, a digital business owner with products to sell, or even an agency that wants to build client stores. But let me be real with you. If you're only selling one product, or if you don't have a traffic plan, this might not be the right fit. The AI can close deals, but it can't magically bring people to your store. That's still on you. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff: scaling. With optional upgrades, you can unlock multi-vendor marketplaces, affiliate programs, digital product hubs, even client stores. Imagine running a franchise of AI-powered stores, each one staffed by its own DealMaker agent. That's not just income, that's recurring revenue. So, how do you start? Honestly, I'd recommend testing first. Launch one niche store, drive targeted traffic, and watch how the AI agent performs. If you see conversions climbing, leads captured, and sales closing, then upgrading to unlimited or franchise becomes a no-brainer. You'll be scaling based on results, not assumptions. And remember, the included products won't sell themselves. You still need to attract the right audience, build trust, and follow up. But once they're in your store, the AI DealMaker takes over. So, if you've ever dreamed of running a software business without coding, without cold calling, without juggling 10 different platforms, Appsfield AI is your shortcut. It's your storefront, your sales agent, your CRM, your promotions, all rolled into one. And the best part? You can start today. So, go ahead, launch your agentic AI software business, preload your products, and let the AI sell while you sleep. This is the future of digital entrepreneurship. And it's waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.